Let me show y'all something real special. We start with chicken seasoned like it's Sunday at Paw Paw's house, every piece touched with care. Then we roll over to that charcoal fire, the kind that sends a warm smoke drifting through the backyard. And when it's finally plated up, it's nothing but comfort, flavor, and soul. World famous cooler chicken. Sweet on the tip, spicy on the end, baby. Let's go. It's windy out here. Get these chicken wings on. So far, I've already put one bottle of Hint of Honey Kraft barbecue sauce. This is the base for the spicy honey barbecue chicken wings. You know, you don't have to make your initial sauce all the time, but you can add to it. Make it your own. They already gave you the base. Spicy honey. I mean, not spicy, but honey. I'm still going to add crushed red peppers. I'm going to add some brown sugar, some Texas Pete hot sauce. Still gotta make it your own, folks. Yes, Kraft makes a good sauce, but you just spice it up a little bit. Fandangle it. Whiskey. Cut it with a little season on. And my secret ingredient from North Carolina, Texas Pete. And it's for you to taste. If you want a super spicy, you just keep Texas Pete in it. I'm also going to add some more brown sugar once I get it to my spice level. So that way, when you first bite it, it'll be sweet. But on the end, it's going to spice that taste bud up. And Texas Pete also has a little vinegar hit you need for the sauce. Like I said, I usually don't cook to temperature. I usually don't cook to measurement. So my measurement is whatever tastes good to you. Just use the barbecue sauce, use the Texas Pete, use your crushed red peppers, use a little seasoning salt. And then once you get it to your spice level, you want to add some brown sugar on the end. So it's sweet when you first eat and hot on the tip. Or I should say not the tip, on the back end. Sweet on the tip, hot on the back end. And I hope that's not what she said, because that's terrible. Because if it's sweet on the tip and hot on the back end, that's a terrible weekend. Oh man, we're just having a little fun on this Super Sunday. Go Commanders.
It's spicy.
Is it spicy now? Okay. Like, how spicy? Like, you just recognize it's spicy?
I think that it's gonna be too spicy for you.
Okay. That's right where I wanted it. So I got the spice level where I want it. A little bit too spicy for me. So what I do is then I cut it with the brown sugar. So once I cut it with the brown sugar, it's going to be sweet on the tip, hot on the back end. And that's what you have right there, folks. Spicy honey barbecue chicken wing sauce right there. You take those chicken wings I'm about to pull off that pit, direct heat, it's going to be crispy. You can do two things. You can pour the sauce all over the chicken wings and let them sit, or you can just dip them. Sell them. You're about to be mad at yourselves. These ain't even got the sauce on them yet. Y'all about to be mad at yourself. You about to miss the damn wing. You hear me? Them motherfuckers, the danks. Look at them, boy. I'm having a party over here. Beer, cigars, whiskey, shade.
You still need my help?
Huh?
You still need my help?
No, I was gonna have you stir this while I was out there getting the wings, but I just put it on super low. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Just a little bit. Now they're sauced up, folks. I'm trying to done told you. You're missing out. You know what? If you don't get none, shame on you and your daddy.
Stop. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it.